What is up, and welcome back to another episode on LLC TV. I'm your host JT, JTown32. If you want to follow me on the social sites, and give us a follow at Limitless Lifestyle Crew on Instagram, as well as visit the webpage at limitlesslifestylecrew.com. All right. So thank you all who have been tuning in, and as I'm kind of going through, showing more content a little bit more and uploading a little bit more as well. But I want to bring to you all a video. Please keep, sharing, subscribing, whatever it is that you're doing. I appreciate it. What you see now, this is what I'm calling the nostalgic pack. So got Kobe on here. He's going to be part of the nostalgic pack. Obviously, crazy year losing Kobe, but I have something special from LLC that'll be releasing to all of you very, very soon. So I wanted to come by and review a product that I got probably about a week ago now, and I did a video on it with my new phone, but for whatever reason the video is moving in slow motion when I try to transition it over. So not going to worry about that here, just going to re-record to make sure I'm keep getting the content out, and do it like that. Also, before I go into the product, From the Soul Podcast has been doing numbers. Thank you all. From the Soul Podcast has been doing numbers. Thank you all. If you haven't already, check it out. I'll put the link in the description as well. So let's get to the product. And boom. So there we have it. We got this knitted sweater that I pulled. Got lucky and was able to get it on a restock from Aime Dore. Hope I'm saying that right. I never do, but this is something that I've wanted for quite some time. Teddy Sanchez, who is one of, obviously, I think one of the owners or so, or if not just like a product developer or whatever, but he previewed this a while ago. This is from the artist Jess Molina. Now, if you did see, there were t-shirts made in this or using this particular graphic before, but I didn't want the t-shirt, and by the time that I did see it, it had already sold out anyway. So I had been anticipating this. He previewed this probably about 3 months ago, and I had been anticipating getting it, but when it originally dropped, I was not able to do so. Maybe I just forgot. I was working and probably just forgot. But if you go on their website and you go straight to the product, you can always have them kind of take a look. You can have them notify you when it's back in stock, and they are real good about doing restocks. However, sometimes they hit it like 2-3 in the morning. It just so happened at this point it hit at like 11 a.m. So this was pretty pricey, probably the most pricey. Well, I bought some stuff from Kith and from the Kith collaboration that was a little bit more. Was it Kith and who was it? Can't even remember, but I know Kith has had some stuff that just costs a lot more. So this is next up to it though, at a whopping $395. So I'm happy to have it. Don't get me wrong, I already got my outfit. I'm looking at the shoes that I'm going to wear with it, and blast this fit. So I hope you all enjoy it. Be on the lookout, man. I've been putting a lot more into my social media pictures just to kind of get you all some of the outfits that I wear with these things that I pick up. Like, I don't just buy shoes or clothes to get rid of. There are a lot that I do get rid of, but for the most part I like wearing my stuff. And this one with the famous graphic of John Starks dunking over 2 Bulls defenders, including one, Michael Jordan. This is beautiful, man. Like, this is beautiful. So shout out to Jess Molina, shout out to Aime Dore. I appreciate it. Like I said, it got to me super quick, so I had to show you all this. I got mine in a size large, and now that I'm looking at it, it might be a little bit big, but I'm right between like that medium and large. Like, it just depends on the fit, right? Some things I wear in a medium, some things I wear in a large. It really depends on the fit. However, I'm probably going to be losing a lot of weight coming up really shortly, so I don't know. But this is definitely going to get worn. I can tell you that. this is gonna get worn. So just want to show you all this, and this is my newest pickup, one that I'm super happy about. But be on the lookout as far as Limitless Lifestyle Crew, as well as J-Town 32 to see how I style this. So thank you all for joining, and just like that, we will be